Hello students, very good morning. This is our social studies class. You all have read the lesson Air Around Us. Now we will study what it is about. Read and tick the correct answer. Someone blows a balloon. Now see here, a boy, someone is blowing a balloon. Blowing a balloon means he is filling the air in the balloon so that its size becomes big. Now here some questions are given and we have to just tick mark that whether it is right or wrong. What the balloon grows in size. When someone is blowing a balloon, does it grows in size? Yes, it is growing in size. The balloon shrinks in size. Shrinks means it shrinks. Its size changes in a small? No. It becomes bigger. So, we will cross out. Someone takes the balloon away from his mouth. When someone is taking balloon away from his mouth, the balloon grows in size. Does it grows? No. The balloon shrinks in size? Yes. Whenever we are blowing a balloon, the air goes inside the balloon and it gets bigger. But when we stop giving air, when we stop blowing it, what it does? The air passes throughout the opening and the balloon becomes the smaller in size. What makes the balloon grow or shrink in size? Now what is the question? What makes the balloon grow or shrink? What makes? The air inside the balloon. The air which is present inside the balloon, it makes it bigger. Also it makes it a smaller when the air passes out. Now in this lesson what we are going to study? Properties and composition of air. Importance of clean air. Air around us. Air is all around us. All living things need air to breathe. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. This atmosphere prevents the earth from getting very hot or cold. Hence, air supports life on the earth. Now, air is all around us. All living things need air to breathe. Whenever we are breathing, the air goes inside our body, and all living things, whether it's a plant or animal, they all need air to breathe. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Now we all have studied about the earth in last lessons. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air and it is called a atmosphere. This atmosphere prevents the earth from getting very hot or cold. So this atmosphere balances the earth from very hot or very cold. We don't get the direct heat of sun. Why? Because the layer of atmosphere, layer of air is, number of gases are present around the earth, so that it prevents the direct sunlight from the sun. So air is the very important component for the life because it supports life on earth. Now what are the properties of air? Properties means qualities of air. We cannot see, smell or taste air. We can only feel it. What is the first property? We cannot see, smell or taste air. Can we see the air? No. Can we smell it? No, we can't smell. Or can we taste it? No. We can just feel it. We can only feel it. Air takes up space and gives shape to things. Air takes up space and gives shape to things. For example, we have seen the balloon. When the air is filled inside the balloon, it grows into the bigger shape and it takes all the space inside it. So this is the next property, that air takes up space and gives shapes. Air has weight. Air is also having a weight. Air moves things. With the pressure of air, lot of things can be moved. Air exerts pressure. With the help of air, pressure can also be formed. Now see, here some questions are given. Why does a chapati fluff up when it is being cooked? Have you seen your mother cooks chapati and when it is roasted on the tawa, on the gas, why it is fluffy? Because the air is present inside the wheat flour. Why do we see leaves and branches of the trees moving? Why do we see leaves and branches of the trees moving? Because of the air. Why do you think should be heavier? A blown up balloon or a deflated balloon? Which will be the heavier? A blown up balloon means the balloon. Air is present inside it. Or a deflated balloon. When the air is removed from the balloon, which will be the heavier? A blown up balloon will be the heavier. Why? Because air has a weight. Now what is air made of? The air around the earth is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. These along with other gases together form the earth's atmosphere. Now, we all know that our earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Now, what is this atmosphere? It is the mixture of gases, nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Which gases are present in the air? Nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. And these with other gases together form Earth's atmosphere. Nitrogen forms about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. How much quantity of nitrogen is present in the atmosphere? 78%. Oxygen forms about 21% of it. And how much oxygen is present? 21%. All living creatures need oxygen to breathe. Remaining 1% of the air is made up of carbon dioxide, other gases, water vapor, dust particles, etc. Carbon dioxide helps plant to make food. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Now we all know this procedure. Carbon dioxide is taken by plants and it purifies. Plants purifies the carbon dioxide and it releases in the form of oxygen that is consumed by human beings or living things. And oxygen is how many percent? 21% in air. And the remaining 1%, it is the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide plus other gases, water vapors, dust particles. So we have to remember this. Nitrogen is present 78%, oxygen 21% and only 1% of the air is of carbon dioxide and other particles. Now breathing fresh air. Breathing clean and fresh air keeps us healthy. Air is cleanest in the early morning hours. It is good to take regular walks during this time. Now, breathing clean and fresh air makes us healthy. And at the early morning, air is the cleanest. And why it is so? Because there is no pollution in the early morning and plants release oxygen that is consumed by the living things. So early morning air is the purest and cleanest. So it is good to take morning walks during this time. Now plants help Keep the air clean. Grow plants wherever you can. Houseplants can reduce indoor air pollution. Now plants help us to keep the air clean. We know the procedure of photosynthesis, the carbon dioxide, the oxygen. So plants are very helpful. We can grow plants in our house also, in our balconies, in our galleries, so that the less air pollution will be caused. Cover your mouth with a handkerchief when you find the air around you dirty. This will help you keep the germs away. And we should always cover our mouth whenever there is a dirt, whenever there is a dust, or whenever we are moving on the road, so that the air that is mixed with other gases don't enter our body. So you understood the lesson? In this lesson, what we have studied, air takes up space and has weight. Air is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Breathing clean and fresh air keeps us healthy. What is a mixture? It is a substance made out of a combination of different substances. So you again read the lesson carefully, understand it,